Today I'm going to show you how to update a meeting using Zoom in N8n quickly and easily. This is a simple workflow action that lets you make changes to an existing Zoom meeting without doing everything manually. If you're managing events, appointments, or scheduled calls, this can save you time and help keep everything organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation flow where you want to update the Zoom meeting. This is important because any changes you make will apply inside that workflow, so take a moment to confirm you're working in the right place. Next, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add new actions and integrations to your workflow. In the search bar or the list of available nodes, choose Zoom. Once you select Zoom, N8n will show you the available Zoom actions you can use. From the Zoom options, choose Update a Meeting. This is the action that allows you to edit an existing meeting instead of creating a new one. After selecting it, the configuration panel will open, and this is where you'll set up the details for the update. Now configure what you want to change. Depending on your setup, this may include the meeting ID and the fields you want to update, such as the topic, agenda, start time, or other meeting details. Fill in the values that match the changes you want to apply and make sure everything is mapped correctly if you're pulling data from another node. Once your settings are in place, double-check the configuration to make sure the right meeting is being updated. After that, save and run the workflow to test it. If everything is correct, N8n will send the updated information to Zoom and modify the meeting for you automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to update a meeting using Zoom in N8n. It only takes a few steps. Open the workflow, add the Zoom node, choose Update a Meeting, and configure the details you want changed. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more N8n tutorials.